So before start the session, let us fix a agenda. What exactly we're going to be discussing? Let us fix our agenda, guys, please. Let us fix our agenda, please. Today, so we're going to be start with what? Azure DevOps. What are the course? What is exactly the course? Azure DevOps. We're going to be start today. We're going to be understand only what is DevOps. We focus on what is an exactly DevOps for today. In tomorrow, we're going to be discussing about what is Azure and what is the difference between Azure versus DevOps. Means what is the relation between these two we're going to be discussing by tomorrow's session. Yeah, let us start with what? DevOps. Before starts, let us course overview. Let us start with what? Course overview. So this total course, so Azure DevOps will be covered. Azure administration will be covered. Both will be covered. The total duration is 5 months plus. The total duration is what? 5 months plus. And Linux basics will be covered. Shell script also gonna be covered. No programming, Java, .NET, Python is not covered. You require a laptop with this configuration for daily practice. For daily practice. Who can join in this course? Freshers can join in this course. Experienced students can join in this course. And any graduates can also join in this course. If you join in this course, which are all the benefits? Daily class recording videos. After the payment, via a Google Drive, you can able to practice. So from date of registration, you're going to be accessing up to 11 months. Resume preparation, interview question and answers, 4 live real-time projects. I'm going to be covered. And I'm going to be providing 80% of soft materials also I'm going to be providing. Our course starts with very basic level, finish with what? An advanced level. And each and every session is practically implemented in front of you that you need to practice daily by following recordings. Okay, after completion of course, you will receive a certificate from our institute. Daily 1 hour class. The classes are Monday to Saturday. Sunday is an optional. Yeah, you're going to be paying 10,000 rupees for a complete Azure administration, complete Azure DevOps with the daily recordings. So you can contact with this number. This is our admin number. You can call or you can WhatsApp also 9297 Yeah, this is our course content. So if you double click on this link, yeah, you can able to access, you can able to see my document list. This is an exactly our document list. This is an exactly our document list, guys, please. Here is we can able to find DevOps content, Azure content. So total is around 20 pages of DevOps content, 10 pages of Azure content will be provided. 10,000 only. Rashmi, yeah, 10,000. Got it. Please be look at once. Okay, I'm gonna be share this information in the chat box. Just look at once. Please be look at once, please. Yeah. Yeah. Before starts, let it be introduce myself. My name is Maha. My name is Maha. I have totally 15 years of IT experience. My career starts as a Java developer. Then I turn as a DevOps engineer. From last 5 years onwards, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer is include AWS and Azure also. That is in exactly my profile. But before starts, I have a few questions I want to clarify with you. So what are the first question? What is an application? Second question, what is a server? Third question, what is SDLC? So tell me what is an application? What is an application? Application is nothing but what? The working software. The working software which is written any programming language. We call as what application. That application we're going to be placed on server side. After successfully placing on server side. After successfully placing on server side. So we can access our internet as a website. Got it? Let me repeat one more time. What is an application? The working software. One second. The working software. The working software as an application which is written any programming language. Any programming language. Any programming language. We call as what? We call as a what? Application. What is an application? The working software which is written any programming language. We call as what application? So that application, if you are placing on server side, if you are placing on server side, if you are placing on server side, we can access our internet as a website. But what about SDLC? SDLC is software development lifecycle. SDLC is a software development lifecycle. What is an SDLC? Software development lifecycle. By helping of software development lifecycle, by helping of software development lifecycle, we can able to produce an application for doing a business like Flipkart or Amazon, book my show. In our SDLC, we have a several stages like analysis, design, implementation, testing, deploy, and maintenance. By following these all stages, we can produce an application and we can able to do business. For example, let's say I want to do business like a Flipkart kind of application. How exactly? What are the first stage, guys, please? Analysis means what? Gathering information from the client of exactly this login page, registration page, payment gateway, and each and everything will be gathered based on gathering information. Our architects will be design. Design is nothing but what? Plan. Design is nothing but what? Plan. According unto the plan, according unto the plan, according unto the plan, our developers will implement by using Java.NET Python. Once if it is in implement the software, whether it is working or not, our testers will be verify the functionality, whether it is login page working, registration per working, payment gateway working or not. Our testers will be verified. Once if it is verified, then we're going to be placed our applications on hundreds of servers. Once if it is placed on hundreds of servers, we can access our internet as a website. Whether it is working or not, we are going to be monitor and maintain it. This entire process, which we are calling as what? Software development lifecycle. Software development life cycle, yes, please. So in this SDLC process, directly, indirectly, we are all part of SDLC. Okay. So if you are a developer, can write the lines of code. If you are a tester, can write can verify the functionality, test cases, whatever made. But if you are a DevOps engineer, how exactly you can? What exactly DevOps engineer does? First of all, what is a DevOps, please? So DEV is nothing but what? Development. OPS is nothing but what? Operation. The combination of software development plus operation is nothing but what? DevOps. The combination of software development plus operation is nothing but what? DevOps, guys, please. That means our roles and responsibilities start from dev environment, ends with what? Operation. So means we are part of coding, build, test, release, deploy, operation, and monitoring. To be frankly, we are not part of, we are not writing any coding. We are not writing any test cases. Just we are going to be in implementing an automated DevOps transparent pipeline. An automated, a transparent pipeline, guys, please. Is DevOps is a technology? Anybody? Is DevOps is a technology like Java, .NET, Python? No. DevOps is not a technology. DevOps is a process. DevOps is an automated process which we are going to be in implementing from dev environment to operations. Dev environment to operations. But usually what will happen, while we implementing this DevOps and automated process, what will happen, the developers are keep on writing lines of code. These lines of code we're going to be delivering into the production environment. Delivering into the production environment within shortest time, with a high quality, with low cost is nothing but what? Our DevOps process. Repeat again, guys, please. So whatever the lines of code is written by developer, these lines of code we're going to be delivering into the production environment within a shortest time with the high quality, with low cost is nothing but what? Our DevOps transparent pipeline. But as a DevOps engineer, we're gonna be replacing with what? A complex pipeline with what? Transparent pipeline. So why we are calling complex pipeline? Our SDLC is a complex pipeline. Why we are calling a complex pipeline? Because if it is a manual process. So because if it is a manual process from analysis to design, design to implementation, implementation testing, testing to deploy, deploy to maintenance, it is a manual process. Due to this manual process, due to this manual process, due to this manual process, if we got an issue, any problem in middle of the process, for identification, it will take a long time. For resolving issue also, it will take a long time. That means the cost will be increased while we delivering working software into the production environment. Cost is increasing, quality will be decreasing. So that is the reason. So we are going to be replacing with what? A DevOps transparent pipeline. DevOps, a transparent pipeline. In this DevOps transparent pipeline, everything is an automated, everything is transparent. Due to this in automation, due to this transparent, due to this in automation, due to this transparent, so even though if you got an issue, any problem, easily we can able to identify, easily we can able to rectify. That means what exactly? And easily we can able to rectify, easily we can able to identify the problem, and we can able to resolve, and we can able to deliver our working software as soon as possible. That means definitely cost is reduced, the quality will be increased. So due to this reason, we are going to be replacing with what? So a complex pipeline with what? A transparent pipeline. But the actual DevOps process, DevOps pipeline is look like this only. In this DevOps transparent pipeline, we have a several stages and several phases like plan, coding, integration, testing, release, deploy, and operations. In this DevOps process, our roles and responsibilities start from dev environment, ends with what? Operation. That means we are part of coding, integration, testing, release, deploy, operations. Operations, yes, please. But to be frankly, we are not part of planning. We are not writing any coding. We are not writing any test cases. Just we are going to be in implementing an automated DevOps transparent pipeline from dev environment to operation. This is in exactly our DevOps transparent pipeline. But in this DevOps transparent pipeline, how exactly we are going to be involving? What are the roles and responsibilities in each and every stage? Let us try to understand. Are we part of planning? No. Are we part of coding? Yes. But how? So the writing is responsible by the developer. But once if it is written, then those lines of code we're going to be maintaining by DevOps engineer. Writing by developer. Writing by developer. Those lines of code as a DevOps engineer, we are maintaining. While maintaining, it's going to be continuous integration. Continuous integration, yes, please. continuously integrating all our developer lines of code. Once if it is integrated, so automatically execute our test cases. Whenever execute test cases, if you got an error, any issue, so automatically it is redirecting back to the developer. Developer has to fix the issue again, and again it will be integrated, again test. Again we got an error, again integration, again coding, and again it will be test. So this entire process will be repeated until zero errors. Until zero errors. So once if it is zero errors, it's going to be delivering. It's going to be delivering our application into the release, continuously delivering into the release. Once if it is released, from release, we're going to be placed on hundreds of servers, we calling as what? Deploy. Once if it is deployed, we can access our internet as a website, like Flipkart or Amazon, whatever may be. But whether it is working or not, we're going to be operating and monitoring. So this is an entire process which we can able to implement this way. But while we implementing this DevOps process, which are all the tools we're going to be learning? Which are all the tools we're going to be learning? Git we are going to be learning. Maven we are going to be learning. Jenkins we are going to be learning. JFrog we're going to be learning. SonarQube we're going to be learning. Ansible, Microsoft Azure, Docker, Kubernetes, Vagrant, Negios, Elk, Elastic, Logstash, Kibana, Terraform. We are gonna be by helping of these are all the tools, we can able to implement an automated DevOps transparent pipeline. An automated DevOps transparent pipeline. But how exactly we can able to use these are all the tools? In which stage, which are all the tools, which tool we gonna be using, how exactly we are gonna be, let us understand. So we're gonna be starts with what? Coding. So the lines of code are written by developer, those lines of code, we are gonna be maintained in a Git. Git is a version control. Git is a version control. And once if it is maintained, the lines of code, it's going to be built. Build is a Maven tool. By helping of Maven, we can able to build the entire Java project. And we're going to be using Jenkins. Jenkins is a automation tool. By helping of Jenkins, we can implement the entire the CI/CD, continuous integration, making working software and continuous deliver. This entire CI/CD process will be implemented while we delivering working software into CD, into the release, Where exactly we gonna be? How exactly we can? By helping of JFrog. JFrog is an active factory. So, and we're going to be learning SonarQube also. SonarQube is a code analyzer, whether the developers are writing with standards, with right functions, with properly or not. The Sonar Cube will be analysis, and it will give statistics and reports also. So by helping of Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, Sonar Cube, we can able to implement this entire CI CD process. We can automate. But once if it is an automated from release, we're gonna be deploying our applications on hundreds of servers. We're gonna be deploying our applications on hundreds of servers, guys, please. We're gonna be deploying our applications on hundreds of servers. We calling as what deployment. But how exactly we can automate this process, this entire process, by helping of configuration management. What is exactly configuration management? Replacing a manual process with what? An automated process on a hundreds of servers. We calling as what? We calling as what? Configuration management. By helping of this configuration management, we can automate hundreds of servers automatically. Yeah. But which are all the tools we're going to be learning? Ansible. Ansible is supporting configuration management. But these hundreds of servers, from where exactly we can able to get it? From these hundreds of servers, from where exactly we can able to get it? From Microsoft. From Microsoft. By using Microsoft Azure, we can able to get hundreds of servers. These hundreds of servers, we can automate by helping of Ansible. Not only placing our websites on hundreds of servers, we can place our websites on Docker containers also. Sir, what is a Docker container? Docker container is an isolated area which you can place our websites very easily on Docker containers with low cost, with high performance. These Docker containers we can manage, we can control by helping of Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a orchestration tool. Orchestration tool. And Vagrant is a virtual provisioning tool. Virtual provisioning tool. By helping of Vagrant, we can able to create a virtual machines very easily, very easily in your laptop. And we're going to be learning Nagios also. Nagios is a system monitoring. By helping of Nagios, we can able to monitor our applications very easy, like RAM utilization, CPU utilization, and whatever maybe we can monitor individual servers and group of servers also we can. So not only physical servers, we can able to monitor cloud servers also. Cloud servers also. And we're going to be learning Terraform. Terraform is a cross cloud platform. Terraform is a cross cloud platform. By helping of Terraform, we can able to we can able to we can able to create infrastructure in any cloud. In any cloud, either in AWS or Azure or Google. Or Google, guys, please. All of you. So by helping of Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, Ansible, Microsoft Azure, Docker, Kubernetes, Vagrant, Nagios, Elk, Terraform, and we can able to implement an automated DevOps transparent pipeline from dev environment to operation. We can able to do it, guys. So today, what is the DevOps? We understood very clear. And before taking your questions, okay. So I think so maybe tomorrow anyway. So what is the Azure and what is the relation between Azure and DevOps? We'll discuss by tomorrow. Okay. But before taking the questions, let us revise one more time our course overview. Better some students are one or two students are late. That's what let them get benefit. So complete Azure DevOps, Azure administration will be covered. So within 4-5 months of duration. So Linux basics required, shell script required, that I will be covered. If you don't know, don't worry. No programming, Java.NET. Java.NET is not required. You require a laptop with this configuration for daily practice. Freshers can join in this course. Experienced students can join in this course. And any graduate can also join in this course. And daily class recordings after the payment, you will receive via Google Drive. Resume preparation, interview question and answers, 4 live real-time projects. 80% of software materials will be delivered. So we are going to be start with very basic level, finish with what advanced level. Each and every class is a practically implemented. Practically implemented. In front of you, that you need to be delivered in your Google Drive. By following the recordings, you can daily practice. So 1 hour class, 6 to 7 a.m. daily. Monday to Saturday, Sundays are optional classes. And you're going to be paying 10,000 rupees for complete Azure DevOps, for complete Azure administration, for daily recordings. This is our admin number, and this is our course content link. If you double click, you can able to find this document list from our chat box. That's it, my end. So do you have any questions for today? Please be clarified with the chat box, and you can talk to me also. If anybody want to talk to me, please raise a hand or else ask me in the chat box, and I can unmute, you can talk each other. Any questions, please clarify with me with chat or audio, video, audio or chat box also, please. Anything you can choose. I'm waiting for your questions. All. Please. Yeah. Who want to talk to me? Venkat Ramana, yeah. Azure certification is required to get a job, not required, Mohan. But if you want, yeah, you can able to do this. So these two certification you can able to do, Mohan. 104, 400. Azure administration certification and Azure DevOps also you can able to do by following this after this course. Okay. But not it is choice you up to you whether you want to do it or not. But it is not a mandatory. Yeah. Thanks, Mohan. Then next. Venkat, please unmute, you can talk to me, Venkat.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Morning, Venkat.
In this course, are you going to teach us the complete Jenkins, Ansible,
Yeah.
Maven, complete tools are going to teach us?
A very good question. Very thing. So I want to clarify this. This question is repeatedly asked me every student. Yeah. So for example, let's say we're going to be spending DevOps 3 months.
Yes.
So we're dividing into the 3 modules totally.
Mm-hmm.
DevOps is dividing into the 3 modules. So initially we're going to be start with what? Ansible. Okay. So Ansible, it will take 1 month end to end.
Okay.
So we're going to be start from what is Ansible and slowly each and every function and each and everything will do practically every class. Each and every class is a practical implement in front of you that you need to practice. By end one project, how we deploying our application on production so by using Ansible, we will be complete. Then we'll discuss about Docker and Kubernetes. 1 month. Okay. So start with Docker, ends with Kubernetes, and we'll do one project.
Okay.
By helping of Docker Kubernetes, how we can handle the production environment. So then we're going to be start with your Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube. It will take, this is entire process we're calling as what CAC. It will take 1 month. So
Okay.
start with Git, understand Git, then Maven, Jenkins, JFrog and SonarQube. Then we'll do entire pipeline, entire DevOps pipeline along with Ansible, along with Docker. And with the normal DevOps process, same process we are implementing on DevOps pipeline also.
Okay.
Short 5 months. Actually, the people are saying 2 months enough, 45 days no. It will take 5 months minimum.
So
What 5 months
3
is
months is
minimum. 3
okay.
months is
3 months
DevOps. 3 months
DevOps
is
and
only Azure DevOps. I'm talking.
okay, Azure
Remaining
DevOps
2
and
months for Azure DevOps, Azure administration, complete Azure. Networking concepts. What are the networking? A lot of concept in networking. So storage, a lot of storage concepts we have, database concepts we have, and compute concept, ADI, Active Directory concept. We're going to be discussing complete 2 months.
so Azure admin is for 2 months.
2 months.
Okay.
It may take 2 weeks, maybe slightly differ.
Okay.
It may take more time, but not less. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
That's right. Thank you. Any other clarification? Azure admission will be covered fully. Yeah, that's what Venkataramana clarifying this with that question only. 2 months, completely 2 months. Azure administration 2 months. Azure DevOps 3 months. This is 2 courses. Yeah. Any other clarification, please, students, please. Any other clarifications? Maybe in future I want to divide this two because the people are confusing. So 1 hour for Azure DevOps is better, 1 hour for Azure administration. Parallel, side by side, that is a better way. So we can complete within 3 months. Maybe not for you, maybe in next batch, maybe. I think so. Mohammed, please.
Hey, hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Very good morning, please.
Sir, after the completion of this course, can we go for like experienced person? Can you give interview like experienced person?
Can you repeat the question? Remaining students also can listen one more time.
After the completion of this course,
Okay.
so can we go for like a experienced person? Like, can we show the experience like at least
No,
3 to 4?
I can answer like this. Please try to understand. Okay. So you are don't know. If you are don't know, if you are already experienced any of the technology, it's very easy. If you are a beginner, if you are a fresher, that is a little bit difficult. Okay. But so whatever, if you are even your expertise in Azure, if you shift the company, some struggle is there definitely. You should be managed diplomatically, you need to manage. That is a personal thing. But technicality, what I'm trying to tell after this course. So for sure about it, after this completion of this course, you can feel inside 1.5 years of experience. You can feel inside okay? That you can manage, resume 3.3 years, 3.5 years of experience. Should be managed. Okay?
Okay, got it.
Okay, fine. At least 1 year minimum, you can feel I have a 1 years of experience of apps. You can feel like that. I promise you that. But rest you have to manage in diplomatically after getting a job. You need to manage up. You can put in resume, you can manage 3 years. Okay.
Thank
But we can't replace 3 years of experience. Real, that is not possible.
Yes.
But it should be managed. Okay.
But the job openings for 1 year experience are very
No,
less in the market.
that's what you can feel inside I have a 1 year experience, but you keep in resume 3 years, I can go for interviews.
Okay.
Understood, Mohan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And one more thing, sir. The trial version of the Azure portal is only for 30 days. So how can we?
That is the solution. That is the solution I given to the students. We'll create after 30 days, 1 more account.
That means we have to use other debit card or credit card.
Credit card. That is only one thing. But if you go for paid version, you can't bear the amount. or it may more than my fees.
Okay.
That is the reason. That is only one way. Student account we can open, that is a long process.
Okay.
Okay, if you're already any student, yeah, student's account, but it is very difficult. Okay, that is only way we are.
So then what about this Git, Ansible, and
Those are all
Maven
free version, not
free versions?
only we are worried about cloud, either AWS or AWS is cheaper. Hardly we can expect 500 rupees monthly.
Okay.
But here is no, we are not paying anything, but go for free trial.
Okay. So I
That is-
think they are going to provide $200, right, sir?
15,000 rupees, sir. Indian currency, 15,000 rupees for Indian currency.
So okay, as we go on practicing, that amount will get reduced.
Reduced. That's what we have to manage that also. If it is cross 15,000 rupees, that is the bill we need to pay.
Okay.
15,000 rupees enough to complete your practice per month.
Okay.
That's what I'll guide you, when if it is, for example, instances, software creating, whether it stopped or not, whether it deleted or not, I'll guide you.
Okay.
Some students maybe they're like, hey, it is a free trial, that's what, let it be create and leave it. They thought like that. No. Whatever maybe we have to utilize whatever the opportunity we have, utilize properly. We are not going to be misused. I will guide you.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Thank you. Any other questions, please? Anybody want to talk to me? Is anybody? Please just raise a hand and talk to me. Any questions? Any clarifications? Thanks, buddies. So tomorrow our focus on Azure. What is Azure? What is the major relation between Azure and DevOps? We'll discuss by tomorrow. We'll conclude by tomorrow. A day after tomorrow onwards, we're going to be start regular classes. Means practical session will be started from day after tomorrow. Thanks, buddies. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks. We'll continue by tomorrow, same time, same link. Same time with same link. Thank you.